We'll guide you through how to get new shaders in CurseForge. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. Shaders are a really great addition into Minecraft, and they can go and add more lighting, more shadows, and especially combined with mod packs, they can really go and improve your experience. So we're going to guide you through this step by step, so make sure this full guide. Now, before we get any further, a big shout out to the sponsors of this video, Apex Hosting. If you're in need of a Minecraft server, check out the link down below in the pinned comment and the description. Apex has got so many great features out there. If we scroll down, you can go and see that you can get a free subdomain, unlimited slots, 24/7 servers and support so you can get help anytime you need it, automated backups, and so many other great features as well. And at the moment, you can get 25% off your first order, so go and check them out. So in this case, I want to do this with Pixelmon. Now, once you're in the pack, you want to go to the top right and you want to go and find the version here. So we're going to be focusing on this for Forge, but it can also be done if it says Fabric as well. I'll explain that. So what you need to do is go and open up a web browser. So primarily we are going to be focusing on Forge for this. If yours says Fabric, what you're going to need to do is get something called Sodium and Iris. Install that. If it says Forge, we need to get something called OptiFine. Keep watching, I'll guide you through this. We're going to go and search in OptiFine like so and come to optifine.net. Then at the top here, you can go and press Downloads. Then you need to press Show All Versions. So to go and know the version, if we come back here, you can see this is for 1.16.5. So you want to go and scroll down like so for 1.6.5. Here it is. And then you need to go and note down the version here as well. For now, let's go and download it. So let's press download. You're going to be taken to an ad wall here. Just be patient while this goes and downloads. You'll go and see the skip button appears in the top right. Press skip. After you've downloaded it, let's go and open up your file explorer like so and come to your downloads. Drag it onto your desktop. Return to CurseForge, find the mod pack you want to do this with, press the three dots in the top right, and go and press open folder. This will bring you to the folder, find mods and double click on it, drag in OptiFine like so, and you want to go and head to CurseForge, and we need to go and get a shader pack. So come to curseforge.com, select Minecraft, press browse all at the top. To the left, press shaders. There are loads of different shaders, so you can find the pack you want. In this case, I'll go and get complementary shaders. We can press files. We can then go and find these. You can actually use shaders for different versions, so we can use the most recent one. Press the three dots to the right and press download file and wait. Come back to your downloads, and then you can go and drag the zip onto your desktop. Now you can go and launch the mod pack. You need to go and wait for this to go and load. It shouldn't go and take too long. So now for the shaders, go and pause the game. You want to press options, find video settings. Then you'll go and find shaders, press shaders folder. Now what we'll need to do is you need to go and make this smaller, and you need to go and find your shader pack and drag it in here. So mine's my desktop, I can drag it in like so. Then you can come back to Minecraft and it's now added in, double click on it here, and it's going to go and reload. It's now loaded and I can go and unpause it, and we're now playing with shaders.